Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Sweet and Savory Kitchen. Today I have a really delicious dessert recipe for you. For that, we will be needing a package of digestive cookies, 1 brick of cream cheese, half a cup of powdered sugar, teaspoon of vanilla, melted butter, about a quarter cup of melted butter, and I'm using these fruit cups. We're going to be needing 3 of these fruit cups, drained, and also about 2 cups of whipped cream. So let's begin. So we're going to start by placing our digestive cookies into the fruit processor. And we're going to add melted butter. So now we're gonna start with our filling. I have cream cheese which is softened. To that I'm going to add my teaspoon of vanilla extract and powdered sugar. And we're just gonna mix it really well. To this we're going to add our fruit, and I'm going to leave some of this for garnish, so I'm going to take some out, just the cherries and a little bit of it for garnishing, and we're going to place the rest. I'm going to mix it. And to this, we're going to fold in our whipped cream. So now that it's mixed, I'm going to place it in the fridge while we work on the crust part. So we're going to make this 2 different ways. I have 2 individual serving sizes and my round dish. So first we're going to put a spoonful on the bottom. Just loose fit, it doesn't need to be pressed down. And with this, I'm going to set this aside. Now we're going to pour it in our round dish. Now we're going to pour our cream mixture gently into the cups. And top it. And the rest in our round dish. top it with some more crumbs. We're going to add some more on top. So we're going to sprinkle remaining over, and we're going to top it off some fruits. So you can top it off some extra whipped cream, and now we're just going to place some nice decorations over the leftover that we saved. Here we have it. This was done in 10 minutes, so our dessert is ready. Make sure you keep it in the fridge before serving. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.